All throughout the afternoon, we've gotten round one of showers and storms pushing south in and across northeast Mississippi and western Alabama. Right now with round one, the heaviest of our rain is sitting across some of our southern and southeastern most counties. With this low pressure system moving in, we are expecting round two to hit us as we continue through the rest of our Monday night. On a closer look, you can definitely tell we've got lots of heavy rain and hail potential there on the southeastern end of our coverage area south of the Golden Triangle. Otherwise, a lot of us are just dealing with passing clouds and high humidity as we move through another night. In Calhoun and Choctaw counties, we are seeing about 100 customers in each county without power on this Monday evening. And over in West Alabama, that's where we're seeing the highest impacts of power outages as we are pushing through our evening. 900 customers each for Lamar and Pickens County, with a bulk of customers sitting around the Birmingham and Tuscaloosa metros. As we continue through the rest of our week, we are expecting much drier conditions. Looking at a very isolated chance on Tuesday, about 20%, looking towards 0% chances on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday before we bring back another isolated round of rain through the weekend and into early next week. Now for tonight, let's talk about round two. We are going to get a little bit of nudge from some cooler air pushing in from our north and northwest. That's going to help bring this low pressure system south along the Mississippi-Tennessee border, or state line, I should say, bringing us another potential for showers and storms to work their way north to south across our corner as we continue overnight tonight and into our Tuesday morning. From there, this low will continue shifting off to the south and southeast, allowing for a couple of isolated rounds of rain as we push through our Tuesday afternoon and early evening. From there, we are expecting a high pressure system way to our north. It's going to be a strong high pressure system, but it's going to help clear some things out as we go in towards the middle of our week. Not seeing as many clouds, definitely not seeing as much potential for rain in and across the Twin State region. Now, as we push towards the end of our week and towards the weekend, again, we just kind of mentioned that we're going to be bringing back the rain. So any outdoor work that needs to get done Wednesday and Thursday, going to be the best days. Temperatures are going to be just slightly cooler, definitely much cooler compared to today. Columbus had a high of 93. Wednesday, we're expecting a high of 8.
Regional delivered all weekend long and
afternoon and into the evening. Scattered showers and storms started working their way south across northeast Mississippi and western Alabama. And now round one is working its way off some of our southern counties as we get ready for round two. You can see round one just getting ready to push off of Kemper County, continuing on its motion south and southeast. This low pressure system we see here going to get a little bit of a nudge from the north with some cooler air, and so that's going to sink south and bring us a few more scattered showers and storms as we continue our way through the rest of our evening. There's DeKalb getting lots of heavy rain and hail potential. Philadelphia as well up in our northwestern corner of the state. We're starting to see more of that storm potential working its way in from the northwest. A lot of us, though, are definitely dealing with the high humidity. Over in Choctaw County, we have got about 100 customers without power because of some of the storms that worked their way through earlier. And over in western Alabama, Lamar County at 800 customers, Pickens County at 600, with more of those folks without power around the Tuscaloosa and Birmingham metro. And those numbers have gone down since 5 o'clock. So the folks out there for the power companies are putting in the work this evening. As we continue through the next couple of days, I know I'm tired of the rain. We are expecting some drier conditions. Isolated chances of rain on Tuesday, 20% chance. We're looking at a 0% chance Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday before that rain works its way back into our forecast. Saturday, 20%, 40% on Sunday, 30% on Monday, bringing back the chance of showers and storms. Tonight, I mentioned some cooler air is going to nudge that low pressure system south, and as it does so, storms are going to work their way back in and across northern Mississippi, gradually sinking south as we continue through the evening, hitting 82 corridor around 10 o'clock. From there, continuing to push south and southeast as we cross overnight tonight into our Tuesday morning. This low and that cold front will continue shifting south as we go through the rest of our Tuesday. From there, isolated chances of rain through our Tuesday afternoon and into the evening. But from there up to our north, we are expecting a strong high pressure system to really help dry things out and clear things out as we go into the middle of our week. So we'll expect a few passing clouds here and there, but otherwise the rain is expected to stay dry as we go through the middle and end of our week before it moves back into our forecast forecast for the weekend. So this is Friday, 2 a.m., and a lot of that cloud coverage is staying off to our southwest. Right now, if you're stepping outdoors, temperatures, we've got a bit of a spread here, anywhere from the mid-70s to the mid-90s. It's 73 in Aliceville, there in Pickens County, 94 right now in Coffeyville, 80 in Columbus, 81 in Starkville, and 82 in West Point. We're expecting middle to upper 80s for our Tuesday, low to mid 80s Wednesday and Thursday with those driest conditions. Upper 80s move back in with that next round of rain.